KLM advised their passengers no checked-in luggage, at least for European routes. A little bit confusion. Let me tell you a story I got from one of our clients today. Frankfurt Airport says, why are you taking black suitcases? Then the pilots are maybe going on strike at Lufthansa Group. And next topic is, we have a deal zone alert again for European flights. Did I forget something? I think I forgot something, but yeah, strike at the airport maybe as well in Frankfurt. So it stays interesting. My name is Lars. I'm here to bring you more miles, more points, and more status. Especially today, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button in form of the bell. Leave us a like and comment. Thank you for doing so. Today's first topic is the confusion about the new rule. KLM informed yesterday the passengers Amsterdam Airport Schiphol due to a malfunction of the airport baggage system. All customers with a transfer connection within Europe. Within Europe. It will be interesting later. On 21st of July 2022 can travel with hand luggage only. We apologize for any inconvenience. So what happened? They say that they have a malfunction in the air baggage system. It's very good that they are proactive and telling the passengers what they can expect. But we had a customer who was flying from Nuremberg via Amsterdam into the world. It was an international flight afterwards. And they told him during check-in, no, you cannot check in anything. And he was there with his suitcase, said, what? I have a business class ticket, sorry, it's paid. It says in the notification, Europe. Then big drama, talking to the supervisor, calling, I think, headquarters in Amsterdam, asking, hey, what is the problem? And end of story short, there came a letter, and in the letter was, it said very clearly, Thursday 2022, July 21st, July 2022, with a transfer connection to any European destination can only be accepted. So, as he was not flying to any European destination, that was something which was in his favor, so he could check in his luggage. Then the important part was as well that on the bottom was written, what can I do? And they wrote, if you are not able to travel with hand luggage only, you can choose to rebook your flight free of charge and request a travel voucher yourself in just a few steps. To view your options, simply log into My Trip on klm.com using your booking reference, rebook flights on KLM, blah, blah. Request a travel voucher is another domain. So that was the offering they could give you. I don't know if it's fair. Let me know what you think. Are you already annoyed because the staff is not knowing what they are supposed to do? I bet that some of you are already, oh God, they forgot what they can do. I think it's good that they at least were proactively telling us that the suitcases are not checked through. Frankfurt Airport is another airport who is battling, and the luggage chaos which is happening at the holiday start, because 3 states in Germany are having this weekend the first holiday and the people are traveling a lot. There is a bigger amount on suitcases in Frankfurt stuck, and the most suitcases are stuck because somebody is connecting through Frankfurt or Munich and then into the world, and then they get disconnected with their luggage, unfortunately. And now when you look carefully, read carefully the website of Fraport, which is Frankfurt Airport, Fraport, they say that they see a problem with black luggage. A lot of people are traveling with black rollaways, and that makes the identification very time intensive. You should put individual stickers or colorful luggage band around it, or something where you have a sign on it, or you can put a piece of, it's called Geschenkband, when you wrap presents where you make the bow with, that you can put around the handle. That is at least what the airport says. And they are telling us that we should do it and it's our fault. But I mean, come on, did you fire 1,200 people of ground handling from 3,700, or did we do it? And did you maybe F it up or not? So I don't think that is my fault. And please take care that we get reunited with our luggage very fast as passengers. I myself, I have honestly no problem with luggage. I tried to travel with hand luggage even before the situation was. And when you look at it carefully, you see already that luggage was never a key function in Frankfurt. When you see how long people have to wait for their luggage until they get it, it's unbelievable. I think we should introduce this Alaska Airlines system as well into other airlines, or to any airline, that you get compensated if you wait longer than 20 minutes. If something happens, some things happen more worse, of course. And now the pilots who said before we don't want to go on a strike are now having the so-called Urabstimmung. Urabstimmung is a kind of a survey within the membership of the pilots, 5,000 are members. And when 70% say, yes, we want to go on strike, then they can go on strike. They are not happy with the development of the last negotiations with Lufthansa and the pilots union. It's absolutely about the strategy, and with the, like I said, about the contract they had, that they have 325 aircrafts at least in the main line, and I don't know. It's kind of unclear. It's so-called PPV, Perspektivvertrag. That is what it's called. But the union said that they are more than happy to talk, and they are more than happy to discuss the topics. Then I have to laugh, because the next weekend is the most busiest weekend in Frankfurt Airport since a long, long time. 200,000 passengers are expected daily. The record was 241,000 and something. I told you that in another show. And now there is a kind of a strike happening as well. They say that there's a staff shortage, quality shortage, chaos at the airport, and it's the mistake of the airport superiors. Now they want to go on strike at Frankfurt Terminal, Terminal 1, Abflughalle A, that is Terminal A, Saturday the 23rd, this July, yes, at 2:30. Wasn't this the busiest? Yeah, I don't know. And they are asking to employees from Gate Gourmet, Visag, that is a kind of a check-in as well, and handling, Fraport, handling, check-in, ASG, Frasec, Frankfurt Security, Fraground, and others. I don't know. That is drama, drama, drama. And like always in life, if things are not going as you think they should go, some other things happen worse. It is drama. More drama as well with Qatar Airways, but in a way which is for Boeing a very good situation. Qatar did sign a contract of 50 jets, 25 are an option, 25 are ordered 100%, whatever 100% means in Qatar. And you remember that they already had a contract, but unfortunately end of July, this option they had just expired, and they didn't renew it, they didn't extend it, they didn't order it, they did nothing. And now this in Farnborough, they used the time to get this settled. So maybe Qatar Airways is getting some 737 MAX 10. I hope it for Boeing as well. And of course, Qatar Airways is an airline which should never go for a single supplier when it comes to aircraft, and to keep both in competition is for them price-wise always a good option. But who knows what happens with the 350s, and if Qatar Airways is getting to peace with Airbus, at least as long as Al-Bakr is in charge. I think he will not forget what Airbus did, in his opinion, to him. Lufthansa deal zone alert. Yeah, when you fly within Europe, you can start with 250 euros to fly within Europe in business class. It's Destinations like Mallorca, 250, Linz in Austria, 258, Salzburg, 267, Bucharest, 269, Paris, 280, Naples, 285, Zagreb, 288, Sicily, did I see Sicily? No, it was Sevilla, 289, Toulouse, 289, Basel, 291. You see Athens, 297, Rome, 307, Faro, 38. These prices, I got that from the website frankfurtflyer.de. Please sign up for their newsletter and support them. This deal was found by them, so they did the work. I just took it and thought that is something you could be interested in. Then the ticketing rules, important as well. Minimum 1 day stay, maximum 3 months. Travel is no problem. You can book it until June 2023. 70 euros if you want to change. And one thing which is important, and you can change the destination as well. Yes, you can do that. Refund is not possible. Booking class is P. Then you have to check, of course, how many points do you get. As it is P, you get 500 within German, 750 when it's crossing borders. For each direction, you get then your 25% executive bonus on top when you have the frequent traveler, the senator or the Honsucker status. And until end of the year, you get the 1.5 multiplier or 50%, however you want to calculate it, on top for your buy. Thank you for watching Frequent Traveler TV today. Today's episode was, like always, a very colorful episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, hitting the notification button, leaving a comment, yes, and leaving us a like. Hopefully we will see each other tomorrow for your next daily dose, and I'm over and out. Bye.